Hi, Monty McCullough here, and welcome to another episode of the construction of our latest model home here in San Diego's Del Mar Mesa. Well, as you can see, there's been dramatic progress made since we poured the slab a week or so ago. The walls are stood, the trusses are on, and the guys have been gainfully employed, busy at work, building and framing the home. Well, why don't we step on inside and we'll show you some of the fun details and the quality of construction and craftsmanship that we employ as we frame and build our homes. So come on inside. One of the first things you'll notice when you walk into these homes that we build during framing is the 2x6 wood stud construction at 16 inches on center, as opposed to the typical and normal 2x4 stud construction that you see in most other homes built. The extra depth on these studs provides strength and stability, and it allows our wall lines to be true plumb and straight down hallways. In a few weeks, these walls are going to be filled with electrical wiring, plumbing, mechanical, fire sprinklers, and all the holes that are put in these weakens walls, and that's why all of our walls are extra strong, extra big at 2x6, and it provides much more insulation, making our homes even that much more energy efficient. The other thing you'll notice is our 10-foot high ceilings. We typically build our homes with these higher ceilings as opposed to most other new homes being built that have either 8-foot or 9-foot high ceilings. The extra height gives this home more of an estate feel and estate presence. Now, not every ceiling throughout the home is 10 feet high, but these are minimum heights. It also allows for us to put in our 8-foot high doorways, even in bedrooms and in closets. And there's just a terrific difference between the typical 6-foot 8-inch high door and an 8-foot high door. Thanks for joining me on this episode of early framing construction on our next model home here. Look forward to in a couple weeks where we're going to come back and we're going to show a little bit more features and more details of the framing as it progresses here to an exciting conclusion. And the next episode, we're going to be looking at some of the finer details of our framing and some of the early mechanical subs that will be moving in. We're going to start the plumbing, and then we're going to go into electrical and mechanical and fire sprinklers and everything that makes a house a home. But right now, we're building the structure, we're building the DNA and the bones of the house, and we're getting into the fine details of how this is all put together. But in our next few episodes, we're going to be connecting all the dots here with all the stuff that's hidden behind the walls and how it's wired and how it's plumbed and where and why and what for. This is Monty McCullough from MDD Homes, and thanks for joining us. Over now.